There are basically 4 types of air barriers which we'll look at. They are mechanically fastened materials, rigid sheathings, self-adhered or peel and stick membranes, and fluid or trowel applied coatings that function as air barriers. When we think of mechanically fastened air barriers, we think about exterior building wraps, commonly used in residential construction, but with commercial applications as well. For use in interiors, there are polyethylene and nylon films. Membrane is one example. Air barriers must be continuous to be effective. All penetrations and terminations must be sealed completely. Installers must repair any rips or tears. Seams must be overlapped and sealed. And wherever there's a supporting frame or substrate, the barrier must be properly attached. The goal is no air leaks whatsoever. You can use rigid sheathing such as gypsum board as an air barrier, also extruded polystyrene, and faced polyurethane foam. These materials should be thoroughly sealed, and the seams or butt joints must be airtight, covered with durable sealants or specialized tapes. All penetrations must be sealed. Rigid sheathings must be properly integrated with the water-resistive layer so that you don't get any moisture behind the assembly. Another category of air barrier material is self-adhered or peel and stick materials. These are heat or pressure-applied membranes or films, which are often water vapor impermeable. These must be exceptionally well installed, because should water get behind them, the moisture will be trapped with no way to escape and can cause concealed damage over time. So seal all penetrations thoroughly. These films may not adhere properly unless the substrate is cleaned or primed. And if they're applied in cold weather, they may require a primer to adhere properly. Air barriers may be asphalt or polymer-based, including those which are trowel applied or spray applied. A good installation includes sealing all penetrations, including around brick ties. Cleaning or priming of the substrate may be required, and the job must be applied with care to avoid overspray and inhaling solvent vapor. Roofing is also considered an air barrier, and this can include asphalt or polymer-based roofs, typically membrane roofs and built-up roofs. Membrane roofs require ballast if the material is not adhered to the substrate. All penetrations through the roof must be flashed and sealed carefully, with special attention to detail at the critical roof and wall interface.